Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Salid Tech. In the last video, I will discuss a few commands of Linux which is very important. In this lecture, I will discuss the only very important command which is used all the time. So the first 10 lectures of the Linux command are very important because if you know the 30 or 40 commands of Linux, you will easily do the administration of Linux servers. So before starting the Linux server administration, I will build a solid foundation on command line. So please keep watching these videos very carefully and do the practice. If you will do the practice, you will masters of these commands. So I will emphasize many times. Please watch all at least these 10 commands which are very important into the Linux administration. So today I will discuss the few commands. One of them is cd. Cd is very important command. Cd is used for changing the directory. Basically, if you want to change the path of your working directory to another working directory, you always use to cd. So basically, you want to change the path in in any manners. You can move from one directory to another directory in so many ways, and again you come back to the original directory. So I will discuss the few very important shortcut tips how to navigate with this within these file systems. The first command is cd /etc. Basically, what etc does, if you know the path of the your directory in which you want to navigate, you start your path with the help of / which is the root, and after root, if you know the exact location of the directory, you can write down in this way cd and full path of the your required directory. And if you want to move to the parent directory, for example, if you are directory and within the directory there is an also directory, and within that directory there is an also directory, if you go down up to 2 level and you want to move up to 1 level, there is always a command which always used by the so many administrator, which is called cd space .. What it does, it move from you from your parent directory. So if you are sitting in a child directory, you can use this command to move the parent directory. And similarly, if you want to move to the up to 2 levels directory, for example, your grandparent directory, so that way you can use the command .. /.. It will move you to the 2 directory up in your hierarchy. I will show you the all commands. Don't worry if you don't understand. So I will visualize you when I will do the practical. And there is an also command which is called cd dash. What it does is move the previous directory. What does it mean? It doesn't move to the up 1 level or 2 level or 3 level. It moves to the previous directory, whatever directory it was. Or if you want to move to the home directory, you just need to enter cd and plus enter. So it will move you to the your home directory from any location. Same like if you want to move to a directory where you have a space. For example, in directory name we have like this department exercise. So as you can see, in this name of directory we have an space bar. So cd command does not recognize the space. For overcome this problem, you should use the backslash and then one space and then press enter. So in this way you can easily move to the directory which have the space in it. So I will show you how to do all these things. So let's move to the screen. So I will enter my password. Now I clear my screen by clear command. So first of all, I will check what is my current directory, pwd. Now I am in my home directory. How can you recognize what where when you are in home directory? There is a symbol which is called tilde. Tilde always represent your home directory, and the absolute path of your home directory is /root/home and /Salman. Salman is the username. So here I can launch the command ls-l. So as you can see, I have few folders over here. like department, dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4. If I want to move to the any folder, I will write down cd, then dep. After typing a dep, I always auto complete by hitting the tab key. So I will press the tab key, it will complete. So I am now in department folder. How do you know that? Because this is the path of the directory, or you can always check yourself where you are by launching the command pwd. So as you can see, now I am in a department folder. Now I launch the command ls-l. So it show me the I am in a so as you can see, there is only one folder within the department folder, which is called legal. Now I move to the legal by cd le and again tap the key, and again I send, and within the legal I have also a folder which is called mis. If you see the blue color with the name, it means it is a folder or directory. So I will move to the cd mis. Now I am in the cd mis. Now again I will ls. So there is no file within this folder. So now I will check my current full path by launching the command pwd. So as you can see, now I am in the home. Within the home I am in a Salman, and within the Salman I am department, and within the department I am legal, and within the legal I am in the ms directory. If I want to move one directory up, for example, I want to move to the legal directory. For this I will use the command cd space dot dot. This is command always used when you want to move on one stage up. So I will raise enter. So now I will launch, I will show you. So sorry. So first I will clear the screen and I will launch the command pwd. So as you can see, now I am in legal. Now if I want to move to the Salman, that means I will move to the two letter. For this I will use the command cd dot dot / dot dot and slash and press enter. So now I am in my home directory. You can see now my directory structure is same. Now I am killed. Also I will check from the command pwd. So as you can see, now I am in a Salman folder. Now if for example I want to switch cd / home / Salman / department / legal / mis plus enter. Now I am where I am. Now I am in a mis folder pwd. So you can see now I am in a mis folder. Now I want to move to the previous folder, which was my home folder. So the command I will told you is the cd space dash. So cd space dash will take me back to my previous folder. So I will hit the enter button. So now you can see now I am again in my home folder. Also I will show you a very important aspect of the operating system, Linux operating system. For example, if I want to make a folder with a space within that name, for example in Salman I will create a mk dir, and now I want to create a folder with a space within this space in the name. For example, I will create the Salman and then Khan. So if you create a folder which is having a space in it, you should always use double quotation in your name. In this example I create a folder Salman Khan and click enter. Now I will ls. So you can see now I have a folder name Salman Khan. The preferred method is creating this type of folder, for example mk dir. Now I don't use the double quotation, I use Salman / space and Khan 1. So in the backslash and space will ignore the space within the name, and I create enter. So it is easily create the folder Salman Khan 1. So I will show you ls. So that you can see now I have a folder Salman Khan. Same like if I want to navigate to the folder with cd command, I always use the backslash and space. If I write down, if I want to move to the Salman Khan, I will write down the cd Salman and then backslash 1 space and Khan and press. Now you can see I will navigate in the folder of Salman Khan. So this is the some more tricky, because sometimes you can do the CD with the space in folder name, but you don't get the desired result. In this case, always use the special character backslash and number of spaces which is present in your file name. So in this way we can navigate the folder from one folder to another folder, and if you want to move to your home folder, just type cd and press enter. Now you are in your home folder. So in this small lecture I will show you all the specs related to the cd command, and I hope you will get the desired results. So keep watching this lecture, because I told you several times these 10 commands are very important in Linux administration. So I will come into next lecture with a new commands, set of commands. Thank you very much.